Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about Swanchain airdrop guys. So they have allocated literally 20% airdrop for the people who are trying out their new point system. At the same time we will be able to try their testnet also. Okay, I'll show you how you can try their testnet, and finally you need to complete their Galaxy task. Okay, and this particular project is backed by Binance. Here you can see their lead investor is Binance Lab. Literally they have raised in the seed round of $3.3 million. Okay, so in this video we're going to see guys how we're going to participate in their airdrop. And before we see about it, if this is the first time visiting to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel guys, and like this video and continue watching it. That's all I'm expecting from you. And this is our Telegram channel. In case if you haven't followed me here, must follow me here also, because here only I'll be providing all sorts of links and airdrop updates. Okay, so about for this airdrop also I'll be giving all the links inside my Telegram channel. So that being said, let's get into the video guys. So first of all I'll show you how we can complete their point based system. Okay, we'll be able to come here every day and join the daily combo to match the data blocks and earn massive points. Okay, and click on connect, and then we just need to connect our Twitter account first and give authorize app. And once your Twitter account got connected, if you scroll down you'll be able to see this daily combo. Okay, so we need to play this daily combo every single day. So just click on play button, and if you click on play button, so guys, in order to play this one we need to choose the correct data block. Okay, so if you choose the 3 correct data blocks you'll be earning 100% points, and if you choose 2 correct data blocks you'll be earning 50% point, and if you choose only one then you'll be getting 25 points. Okay, so this is how you'll be able to play. It is purely luck based. Okay, so you just choose randomly some of the numbers and just click on confirm. And once you click on confirm, here you can see I didn't get any of the points because I didn't choose the correct data block. So we need to choose correct data blocks, then only we'll be earning the points. Okay, so even if I would have choose correct one, no, I would have got 25% point. Okay, from this 10k, but I didn't get any of the point. And try this guys every single day. This is how you'll be able to earn massive points. And apart from that, if you scroll down you'll be able to see available task. Okay, so many tasks will be available. All you need to do is just click on the verify button. Firstly we need to follow them, okay, in the Twitter account, then it will get verified. Okay, just go inside the Twitter account, click on follow, and come back here and click on verify. And once you click on verify, your points will get added here. Okay, finally. So again the next task is follow the another Twitter account. Just click on that, it will take you here. Just follow them and come back here and click on verify. And then we need to go inside this one, just do the retweet and then again come back. Okay, so just click on repost, come back here and click on verify, and we need to like this post. Like this only the task will be simple task. So now you need to comment on the post. Just go inside and do a comment and come back here and click on verify. So like this, try to complete all the tasks. Okay, so just posted this one and again come back and click on verify and complete all the tasks. Okay, it will be like retweet, comment, like this kind of task only. So once you complete all the task, it will be in the task pending verification tab. So the verification can take up to 24 hours to 48 hours. Okay, after that your points will be added on top here. Okay, and mainly guys, I'll be leaving one code in the description, so just copy the code and paste it here. Okay, enter the code and click on check. So once you do that, you will be earning 20% point boost. Okay, so if you don't want to miss out the 20% point boost, just use my code, or else you can use anybody code. Okay, so this is how you'll be able to earn the points. So this is the major thing guys, the point system. You gotta earn as much point as you can, so that you will get the eligibility for the airdrop. And apart from this one, you'll be able to complete the testnet task. Okay, so for that we need to have the Sepolia testnet in our wallet. So now what you need to do is just click on the link inside my Telegram channel. It will take you to this faucet page. We need to get this Sepolia testnet. Okay, so just copy your Ethereum wallet address and then come to the search bar, just paste the address and click on send me ETH. And before that you gotta do the login here. Okay, so create an account here and then request for Ethereum Sepolia, so that you will get some testnet token. Okay, so once you receive testnet token, just come back here and click on connect wallet and just click on MetaMask, and then MetaMask will pop up. Just again click on next and click on confirm, and then choose the Sepolia network. Okay, so just click on switch and then it will get selected. Okay, so now we need to transfer some amount from Sepolia to Proxima. So just click on deposit and once you click on deposit, MetaMask will pop up. Just click on confirm so that the transaction will go through. Okay, so now here you can see guys, the transaction got done. Okay, so now send the same amount to the Saturn also. Okay, so just choose the Saturn and 0.01 I'm going to send. So just click on deposit and then the MetaMask will pop up. Just scroll down and click on confirm and then it will be done. So here you can see guys, successfully it got done. And once you complete both of these things, now so guys, after you complete the testnet task, now on top you'll be able to see Swan. Okay, if you click on that, the mainnet task will show up. So here you can complete the mainnet task by sending some Ethereum to Swan mainnet. So if you do so, you are making some real transaction in the Swan mainnet. Okay, and after that you'll be able to claim this credit also by connecting your wallet. For that you gotta do transaction and all. So once you complete the testnet task and mainnet task, now finally you can move on to the Galax task. Okay, so here you can see Swan chain mainnet week 1 is live. So here all you need to do is just come here and connect the same wallet which you connected there and all, and doing the task. Okay, so just confirm and connect the same wallet and try to follow them. We are already following them, so just do the check, and then we need to follow them in the Telegram channel. So just go inside and follow them in their Telegram channel. So once you follow them, just come back here and again just check here, and then you need to follow the space user. Okay, so just go on top and follow them, and then finally you need to get a role in the Swan member. Okay, so on complete, and then you need to click on this I have read and agree to the rules, and click on submit again. So now click on start verification, and here it will ask for the option. Okay, so please select the grapes. So just select the grapes, and then here you can see we got successfully verified, and cancel this and come back here and just do the checking. Okay, so everything will be done finally. So once it got done, we'll be able to claim 50 points, and below also you can see by completing this like, retweet and visiting the page, we'll be able to earn extra 200 points. Okay, so complete all of these things, just finally claim the 200 points also. Okay, so just we need to go visit and like and do all these sorts of stuff. And once you complete the task, no, so once you complete all the task, no, just go on top, and here you can see the next task will be available, week 2 task. Just come back here and try to do the same thing. You gotta firstly follow them, visit, like, retweet, these kind of things, and then you need to be active in their Discord account so that you will move on to the level 1, and then you need to go to level 5, level 10. So try to be active in their Discord group to level up yourself so that you'll be able to earn all these points. Okay, so totally you'll be able to earn around 810 points. Okay, so must try this one and complete the Galax task, and then try their testnet task, and then finally try this point based thing. So try to bring your points so high so that you will receive some decent amount of airdrop from this particular airdrop. Okay, so literally Binance Lab invested, so it has a chance of getting listed in Binance also, because Binance Lab is the lead investor. $3 million is a very small amount, that's why it didn't get the hype, and maybe in the future it will get the hype. Okay, so don't wait until then. So now itself start trying it and secure your airdrop allocation. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you for watching this video until the very end.